Right, this is intake manifold for 2010 Toyota Prius. Reason of taking all this out, and you can see this is a PCV valve. Just cleaned it with the carburetor cleaner. Right, this is throttle body, nice and clean. Right, what was happening? I cleaned the EGR valve, EGR cooler, and all the pipes, and the car stops shaking by when you give gas, not on idle. When you give gas, it's still shaking. So I thought I'm gonna clean this intake manifold, and what I found in this intake manifold, as you can see, can you see these holes? These holes for EGR valve pipe goes into this hole, and from this hole they distribute air into each cylinder equal. What was happened here? I found these three of them were blocked with sludge, grease and dirt, and it was only this hole was open for the air to go into the cylinder. So that's why the cylinder number 2 was misfiring, because of plenty of air going inside cylinder 2, and none of these were working because they were blocked. So I cleaned it. So I just want to make a quick video to let you guys know this is very important to, with the EGR valve, clean this intake manifold as well. Thanks for watching. This is look like this now. Can you see all the holes are nice and open now? So I'm gonna put a new gasket on and put it back together. Thank you for watching.